Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you open up the game, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you can start your game by clicking on Play Dota at the bottom right corner. Now, if you wish to change your graphic settings before you start your game, click on the gear icon at the top left corner and then click on Video. From the video settings, you have various different options such as choosing your resolution, which can be auto-adjusted by choosing Use my monitor's current resolution option. You can also choose the rendering engine as well as change the settings for low latency reflex options. Now underneath rendering, you can either use the basic setting, which will let you choose various different settings by simply using the slider. If you want more in-depth customization, you can click on the Use Advanced Settings option and manually choose whatever option you wish to turn on, and also change the quality of various different parameters. After you have chosen your desired settings for your game, you can now start to play your game, and you will now notice that the graphic changes that you have just selected have been immediately applied within your game, and you can change these settings at any time that you wish in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings within the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.